On Amazon, you can start from $1,000 and potentially generate $100,000 to $1 million in revenue in just 1 year. In this video, we will break down two models of selling physical products on Amazon: wholesale, FBA, and private label, and we'll learn from start to end and discuss the complete plan of action of how you can start from $1,000 and scale up to $1 million over time. We will analyze the products and brands. Most importantly, how to distribute money to start the business on Amazon. We will discuss these 14 points step by step for both wholesale, FBA, and private label. And after watching the complete video, you will understand how Amazon works and what model is good for you. First, start with the most common one: how much investment do you need to start? You can start wholesale with just $1,000, and here is how. In wholesale, you sell branded products which already generating revenue, and the brand has a social presence. So this is why people are already buying products and are familiar with the brand already. So you do not need to run ads or manufacture the bulk stock, and you can start with a very little quantity, only 50 units. On the other hand, in private label, you are building your brand from scratch, so that is why you will order in bulk and run ads for your brand, because your brand is new in the market. No one knows about your brand. For this, you can start your private label for just $5,000. We will discuss all the calculations for both models at the end of the video. This is our last and final part, so do not miss the end. Let's discuss point number 2. You need a professional plan for both models. Sell.amazon.com for USA, and in UK, sell.amazon.co.uk. Here you will find two options: individual plan and professional plan. The individual plan comes up with so many limitations and will not allow you to scale up your business, because you will not be able to sell more than 40 items per month and will not be able to run ads for your store. On the other hand, professional plan allows you to sell as much as you can and allows you to run ads for your store, which is very important for building and running our brand. So the better option is to go with a professional plan always. LLC or legal entity is required for both models. You can start a private label without LLC, but it will put you in more ease if you have a legal entity or LLC. No need for brand registration in wholesale FBA, but in the private label you need a brand registered on your LLC, as you are building your own brand from scratch. In wholesale FBA, you will simply meet you on brand listing after getting approval, but in private label we will create a new list in our account with our registered brand name. Good communication skills are the backbone of wholesale FBA, because you have to talk and convince the brand owner or authentic distributor to work with you, and it is also very important to scale up your wholesale FBA business. If you manage to build good relationships with brands, in the future they can give you exclusivity rights where only you sell their products, which is pretty much a very big deal. In private label, you just need to be good with numbers and should have little bargaining skills, so you can get a good price. In wholesale, we need an authentic distributor or brand, and we need an invoice from an authentic distributor or brand, so we can give this invoice to Amazon and they will approve our request to sell these brand on Amazon. In wholesale, your lead time will be 7 days because you are sourcing locally, but on the other hand, in private label it is 2 months because you are sourcing across the sea, mostly from China. For private label, you need a manufacturer or factory, as you are building your own custom products and selling under your brand name with your branding packaging on it. Running ads on private label listing is very important. After making good quality products, ads are the only thing that decides your success in private label, and most of the budget is also going into running ads and maintaining your position on Amazon. If you are not good with this, I highly recommend you to learn or outsource ads to some good agency that can monitor your ads every day. You will only run ads for your private label listing or brand, not for wholesale FBA. Yes, the fun thing is both models are scalable as much as you can, but both have different paths. In wholesale, you can add more products, brands, and expand your business. On the other hand, in private label, you can add more listings to your existing brand, or you can register more brands, but it will need more money to scale. So here is the most important part of the video. How much money do you need in order to expand your business? Let's understand the calculations for both models and learn how we can grow on Amazon and scale up to $1 million business. Let's understand the calculations for both models. If you have a total investment of $1,000, you have to split your cash into two things. Number one, product sourcing cost, and number two, shipping to Amazon cost. If you source $10 product, you can buy maximum 80 units. The remaining $200 will invest in shipping to Amazon. Amazon payout to sellers every 14-day period. The payout depends on your sales in this period. You will only buy some tools and there is no other expense. You are doing it by yourself, so no team. For calculations, you can use FBA revenue calculator. Let's put our number in the calculator. The sourcing price is $10 and the shipping cost is $1 for a single piece. And if your selling price is 24.99 including all Amazon fees, here you can see the Amazon fees, your profit will be 10 to 15% of your sale price. In order to scale, add more products and build relations with more brands and expand your catalog rapidly. In private label, split your cash into four things. Number one, product sourcing price. Number two, shipping cost. Number three, services. Number 4, running Amazon ads. If you order 1000 units with the price of $2 each, $2000 will be spent and your shipping cost is $1000 on whole shipment. Another $2000 you will spend on running ads or buying some small services like product images or photo shoots. Use FBA revenue calculator. Put your competitors listing link in the FBA calculator and add your numbers. Calculator will show you all the fees on the product so you can see all the Amazon fees. I will highly recommend you to always go with that product which has potential to give you a 20, 25 or 35% profit margin. Because you are going to spend so much on ads. Launch more products or scale up your business. Account setup and LLC costs are not included in this breakdown. I hope you will like this video. See you in next video.